Happy Thursday. It's usually a throwback video, but if you can see these and you can see my eyes, they changed Eric's medication for sleeping, and he's not sleeping. I'm gonna try to do a throwback video in the morning, but I don't know how tonight's gonna go because it's Wednesday night and he didn't go to sleep last night at all, so I didn't go to sleep last night at all. So we're gonna open this Walmart beauty box and hopefully he sleeps and I'll be able to do Friday as usual. If not, I'll try to record the empties video. So this is the Walmart beauty box. It's seasonal. It's $5. I will try to leave the link down below if I remember. If I say I'm gonna leave the link down below, usually I go back. If it's not there right away, I do go back and put it in. So go back and watch a video or something and it should be there. And also, I'm Erica. I do beauty and reviews and unboxings and hauls. I would love it if you would subscribe if you like what you see. I'm very honest and real. What you see is what you get. Obviously, I just got out of the shower, my hair's wet, and I'm tired. So, let's go ahead and get into this box. Please leave a like, a thumbs up, or a thumbs down, whichever one you want. And subscribe if you want to. I mean, stick around. So, that's the first time I've ever really done that. I guess I'll get the hang of it. So let's go ahead and look in this box. The first thing I see is Salon Perfect Design Nail Set. Looks like that. Looks like granite with a little bit of gold in it, doesn't it? I'm probably not gonna wear these, so these will go in a future giveaway. There's Spring Beauty Sensations, Seasons products, and use the QR code. Calm. Natural Vitality Magnesium Supplement, raspberry lemon flavor. It's called Calm. 1 packet in a cup, 2 to 3 ounces of warm water. Drink powder and experience calm. I have no idea, and I won't be giving these to y'all because I don't give that stuff to y'all because I don't trust it right away, especially if I've never used it. Then we got a Biore Love Your Pores, Rose Quartz, and Charcoal, great for oily skin, deep cleans and radiates self-love. Daily Purifying Cleanser. Looks like that. It doesn't want to show you. The light is like, the ring light is like right there. It doesn't have a, it smells good. It doesn't have a stopper on it. Okay, and then we have Hello and Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste with natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. I think it's the black with the green that they have. There, now y'all can see it. Eric must have been messing with it. Let's go ahead and show you this. I might actually use this one so I could get a feel for the toothpaste. It's natural, so Curl Defining Cream for natural curly and coily hair. This is ideal for wavy hair. Sectioning apply to damp, wet hair. Start at the root. Do not rinse. Well, there's 2 of them, so let's try it out. My hair's wet. Just got out of the shower. It smells really good. Let's go ahead and I don't brush my hair when I get out of the shower right away. It feels like I put too much on the top, so it'll probably look oily tomorrow. I'm trying to pull it through. All right, and then I'll make sure to get some on the bottoms a little more. It's got shea butter and pure coconut oil, which is good for your hair. It did weigh it down a little bit. All right, so there's still, so you got a couple of uses depending. My hair is pretty long. Put that right there, and I'll close it up in a thing in a minute. And like I said, I had 2. So I'll give this one to one of y'all. And then we have the Hello Soft Charcoal Infused Tapered Bristles Toothbrush. Looks like that. I'm not sure. Whoever I gave this to, let me know. I gave the last one to someone. Let me know if it's any good. Maybe I'll just go ahead and use it. They keep putting it in here. All right, we got De-Stress with a Moment of Calm. 5 practical ways. Practice the self-care. And it tells you. And let me see if I put this up close enough. If you could use that code, that QR code. All right, and then Suave Professionals. Oh, it wasn't for my hair type. Oh well. Suave Professionals Natural Hair Care. Looks like that. But there's a coupon. Most it'll do is just weigh my hair down. I've used stuff before. I've put pure coconut oil in my hair because in the pool, if you put pure coconut oil in your hair, it keeps the chlorine from drying your hair out. A little self trick. So I just haven't been in the pool in a while. But all right, that's everything that I got in here for $5. I guarantee you this is probably about $5, if not more. I've always looked at them, never the colored ones. And then a toothbrush. I don't know how much that costs. And then the toothpaste. I mean, there's a pretty good amount in here. I love how this, and I love these foil packets. All right, so that was the beauty box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to move it around a little bit, make sure it don't get stiff. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.